Hi, my name is Gustavo Aguilera, head of the Green Chart, ownership of improvements to inhalation properties with bed reviewed in consent with the project, formulating committing to strengthen the viability of the project. Inhalation are based on the feasibility of the projects and the scope of the author and the IP owners. Head of the Green Chart of its inhalation properties and fragment with it penalizes in monetary as well as legal factors, given that current patents bans promoted in that company. Violation with it subject to evaluation in that commission and evaluation of disciplinary proceedings as contemplated under the law. Software licenses with it number according to the internal policies of the organization which will be evaluated depending of the factor of violation and data infringement in the company. Muchísimas gracias.